Welcome back to Silver State Trains. So I went to Home Depot today and I got 2 sheets of, I think this is 5/16 plywood. I had it for 13 bucks. And I had them cut it for me. So I had the 8-foot piece cut to 31 and a quarter, so I didn't have to do anything with that. Then I had them cut a scrap piece to, I think this is 12 and a half inches. And then this was cut to 55 inches short. So all I did off camera was cut the crap out of this. I did a horrible job, but I got it done. So now I can tack this in, and then I was able to score some foam. I got 10 bucks off the foam. It's pretty toe up, but I got some. But yeah, let's get to tacking. I'm only going to tack the perimeter because I don't want any tacks in the way for wherever I have the track going, just in case. Where did I put my step stool? Oh yeah. Okay. Nail gun wasn't shooting anything. There we go. Now she's working. All right. Seems to be secured good enough for me. All right, here's the foam that I scored. As you can see, it had some damage. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but had quite a bit of damage. So I got about 20% off, roughly. So it's good enough for me. I'll just get this cut. This is a brand new razor blade, so it's nice and sharp. All right, it's by no means a straight edge, but I have a piece of whatever the material that I had before is going to be going up against it. This material here will be my face board, so it'll be covering that up. So not too worried about it being completely straight. I got another sheet over there. Let's get this side done. All right, let's get this side cut up. All right, this side's pretty jacked up. All right, I just trimmed this edge off because this piece was pretty damaged. And I'll do the same on this side here. All right. Oh, I guessed that good. All right. Oh, perfect. Got a line. All right, I'll take this piece. All right. That's a little better. All right. Oh, also I keep it straight against the wall. Above there. All right, and just like that, we're ready to rebuild. All right, so I can start cleaning my track, getting this laid out, see what it's going to look like. I can fill in some of these gaps. I have some spray foam. I got some putty I can put in here too. But with that, thank you all for watching on this hot garage day. Happy 4th of July tomorrow to everybody. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It will greatly help me out. With that, see you all later.